Hi.
Hi.
Just wanted to say thank you for your kindness in there.
No, you already said thank you. You're the guy from the bar.
You look familiar. Have we met before?
No.
You sure?
No.
Okay. So how you doing? Where you going? Can I buy you a drink?
I'm sorry. I'm in a hurry. I can't stand the chit chat.
Okay, I understand, but I can buy you a drink sometime. It doesn't have to be.
No. I'm in a hurry. I just told you.
Okay, fine. Can I get your number so I can give you a call sometime? How about that? Wait, you're not gonna just walk out to me like that, would you? You're just a number. I want to call you sometime. Come on, I just want to call you sometime. Right? Listen, I'm a nice guy, okay? I just wanna. Oh, your card instead. Oh, okay. Cool.
Hey, touch me.
What?
Flogsy, when do you intend to tell me what I need to know about you?
What do you need to know about me? What's wrong?
Well, you're confused, right?
Oh, yes, I am. What?
What don't you understand?
Everything. You're speaking in riddles, plus you haven't said anything. What is it? Can we go inside and talk?
Go where? I will never enter this house again with your
Oh,
liar.
wait. Edward, what's with the outburst? What's wrong?
Who is Emmanuel's mom? Flogsy, are you a baby mama? Oh, you suddenly become mute.
No, I am... Yes, I'm a single mom.
So why did you lie to me?
No, I didn't lie, Edward. It's something I can actually explain to you. It's not what you think.
What do you want to explain? Something you could not explain to me in the past 4 months that we've been together? Hey, don't touch me.
Please. Can I just...
Flogsy.
Yes.
It's over.
No.
It's over between us. See, it can never work anymore.
Please, let me explain.
See, for not telling me that Emmanuel is your son is the height of it.
No, I was going to. Oh, thank goodness. Please.
Do you know you're a glorified prostitute? Do you know that? You think I will never find out?
Edward, can you please not throw insults in? Let me just explain to you.
Flogsy, you're not who I thought you are.
Okay, that's enough. If you're going to go, then you can go, but just... Are you really going?
No, I'm coming back. Rubbish.
Auntie, good afternoon. Auntie, welcome.
What?
A man came looking for you. He's waiting at the frontage. Did you see him?
Get out of here. Get out of here right now.
Oh.
Are you deaf?
What did I
said get out! having a child outside wedlock is a curse. I can't get married with this boy around. I cannot get married with this boy around. He's a curse.
Switched off. How? It can be a low battery. A babe who has a sturdy light in her house can have issues with charging her phone, even with a solar. How am I sure my friend is okay? No. I need to go see her. I need to know what is going on with my girl. So like her. Okay. No battery. Flowers! Floxy! Babes! Flox. What happened? What is it?
Nothing seems to be working. Everything is just...
Okay, calm down. You know you can talk to me, right? I got your back. Now tell me, what happened? Did you receive any distress call? How about Mom? How about Emmanuel? Did anything happen?
Edward broke up with me.
What? He walked away?
Yes, he walked away. He found out about Emmanuel.
And he walked away just like that?
Yes.
After taking 5 million naira from you, he walked away?
Yeah.
I won't take it though. You just have to stop crying right now, please. Just clean those tears. I hope he paid with an interest.
No, I even forgot to ask for the money.
Flux. Why?
He called me unprintable names. Prostitute. I don't know how he found out. Jess.
He called you names. He called you a prostitute. He's mad. His generations are prostitutes. What is his problem? After taking money from you, I won't take it all. You just have to calm down and stop crying. Then we can talk about him later. All right? Please, calm down. That guy collected so much money from you. He chopped clean mouth. Can't get... Don't worry. Just calm down. Please, stop crying. I need you to stop bothering yourself for now. All right? Please, calm down. Please. No, don't do this. You're going to break my heart. Please, don't do this. Please. Stop, please. Stop. You can go through this. All right? It's all right. You can do it. Calm down. Calm down. Vlogs.
Are you serious? You're not bothered. Dating site is not opening.
Keep trying.
No, dating site closed. God, like, what is it? I need to settle down. I need to be a missus. What is it with single mothers? Why can't I get married?
Flux, you will get married.
When?
Soon. God will do it.
Menopause. After menopause. Before menopause.
What? Don't say that.
I don't know what I'm supposed to say anymore, honestly. It's exhausting. It's like being a single mom is a crime. Like, it seems like God has even forsaken me.
Don't say that. God has not forsaken you. He's still with you.
No, he has. He blames me for being a single mom. Tired.
Flux. Listen to me. It is not your fault. You're just a victim of circumstance. And I want you to stop telling people about Emmanuel.
I didn't tell any of them. I don't know how they keep finding out.
Someone must have told them.
Yes, someone did, but who? I mean, why? Oh, hi, she has a son. Like, who does that?
I don't know, that's bad. But come on. You should be grateful. You know you're beautiful and successful. You don't lack men. Edward just left. Before you can say Jack, you see another guy at your door knocking, begging to be your man.
Oh, yes.
You should be grateful to God for that.
Oh, I am.
Please go back to the dating site. Keep checking. Keep checking. Something will come up. You know, it's almost lunchtime.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to Fluxy Events.
Oh, no, he's here to see me.
Oh, okay. Flux,
Hi.
I think it's time for lunch. I'll get going. So what do I get for you?
Nothing. I'm perfect. Sure. Yes. Oh, please.
Please sit.
Sit. I'm sorry.
Thank you.
So sorry. My friend Jessica.
Right.
Please sit.
Are you surprised?
No.
Basi,
Matter of God.
Basi, abeg, come.
What be that?
No. Come close now. No dey there, they ask me question. They come close.
I don't do your mouth like this. I don't see now. You won't come talk one kind of thing when no follow. What be that?
Basi,
Huh?
wetin dey happen for this? No dey see am. Wetin dey go on between madam and pikin? The way madam dey take treat this pikin, me I no like am. No like am.
Me too. I don't like him. But how do I take concern you?
Why you no go consign me? Wetin dey talk? The way they treat am, e nice? Is it good?
How you take the treat Emmanuel? You know good, eh? Because Emmanuel, that boy, that boy go well. That boy a very fine boy. He can't sabi book join. So how madam take the treat am? You know to enter.
Put the treat am like say no be am born am. No dey see am. Just the treat am see say na one kind pikin like that.
You know good. How you take the treat am? You know good.
No make sense now. Like
I
say
dey
no be
pity the
pikin.
boy. I dey pity him.
Are you okay?
Oh, yes, I'm perfect. I just wasn't expecting you.
Oh, I decided to surprise you, actually. I didn't want to call you on the phone. Yeah.
It's okay.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yes, I'm perfect.
You look like there's something bothering you.
No.
You mind sharing?
No, nothing. I'm okay.
Are you sure? You can tell me anything.
I'm fine.
Nice place.
Thank you.
You're doing very well for yourself.
Thank you.
You know, I actually know this business, Fluxy Events. I never knew you were the owner.
Well, I'm the owner. Have you worked for you before?
Yes. Well, technically, my sister got married, and I think you guys catered for the entire event. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Amma.
No. Amanda?
Yeah, Amma. She's my younger sister.
No way. Small world.
Yeah. You two know each other?
Yes. We actually went to the same university. We're not in the same department, but I know Amma really well.
Right. Small world indeed. You know, I told you looked familiar. You probably
Yes,
thought.
and I thought it was the guy's code.
Oh, okay. Apparently it's
So
not.
you're Amma's brother?
Yeah.
Yes. Amma and I were good.
Yeah, my elder brother actually.
Elder?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, you said elder previously. So, sorry.
Nice place.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
The problem I no wan be say the way men dey take come inside this house dey comot. E dey alarming no, dey shocking.
I know that is shocking to you. Madam, she is very beautiful. Madam too fine. She enter, she gel, she go well. And that's me say she can't get money. She did very successful.
I hear you.
Maybe when they cook waiting they make person go toilet 100 times a day.
I beg you. Why I no go give you the food you reject am? Yeah. See, I no fine. You with the talk, I no fine. Now because I wear this thing. On your non-self, no supposed to see me here. Now putting poverty cause. If not behind, if you don't see me, I fine, I set. This is where I come here, come that say I no get shape, I no come fine. Madam, which kind of fine? No, they see me.
Your fineness na for people.
The only she make money for this life. I beg you, leave that to the talk, Joe. Leave that to. Another one be say, say, they hard. In go get man. But if they find that say in get picky, they could live and japa. They could just live and.
Another one depend me. Another one me I no can understand why. But you know your fellow woman is supposed to pity him.
Pity him for waiting now. For waiting now. Why would I pity him? When they do in show work or in position work, I've been there with them. What did they tell me? Why would I be pitying her? What you call him? Your madam.
Mata, this your man go put you for trouble. How you take no say she do show work?
You don't know. You know I ain't take born that picky. I ain't take born am.
Mata, as madam no to lie the boy, Emmanuel. Me call him mama, me mama can carry Emmanuel. I really tell me I know say I go fit talk. Me mama they train him.
In sense no reach there. In sense no reach there. Not be to get money, now to get sense. You get passing this
passing school no be passing sense. See you too. You know even sabi am join. You dey talk nonsense. This your mouth go put you for trouble. You know go back to that people.
Insult me, for I beat you now. I no go give you food for this house again.
Chop am.
Get mad.
Chop.
Who know self? Who know whether they even do something with madam? Today talk rubbish, nonsense.
I don't blame you.
I better get out.
Your potty where they cook.
Now me welcome the gist you.
Nobody first state go look.
Come on here. Who know whether una don't do? They come on. They support them.
Talk. You said, I feel go girl, we said.
This one go. This one go. My eye on you.
Yeah, so we can clearly see this is the Lord's doing. I mean, your man walked away and he's not coming back anymore. My ex walked away and she's not coming back anymore.
Okay.
So I feel like it's a good time to kick off something good. What do you think? I'm a nice guy. You can ask my sister. Flogsy, the truth is, the first time I saw you, I got interested. But then there's something about you that I couldn't really figure out. And I'm very excited that we're having this conversation right now. You know, I'm close to you, I'm sitting next to you, and I could see that you're pretty much an amazing person. I mean, look at you, you're doing well for yourself. You're beautiful, you're intelligent, you're hardworking. So that makes the two of us. Yeah. I mean, trust me, let's give it a try.
Mick.
I mean, I promise to treat you right. I promise to do that. I promise to, I promise to just do everything I'm supposed to do to make you happy. All you have to do is say yes. You don't have to look at me or... Listen, it takes a lot for a man to open up this much, all right? I'm one of those few men out there who would go any length to see a woman, to make a woman believe them.
Obviously.
Yeah, I mean, I'm one of those few people. I'm not trying to blow my trumpet, but the truth is, this is for good. This is for good. I'm not trying to play games. I'm just, telling you how I feel. And I'm glad you're giving me, the right, responses. I know you haven't said yes, but you keep nodding your head, so that's okay. But just say yes.
I cannot believe that Edward will do this to me. He promised to be there for me. We promised each other forever. He broke up with me because of Emmanuel.
Flogsy, please do this for me. Get pregnant for me. I promise you I will take good care of you.
Edward, can we please not go back to this discussion? We are adults. And we have to do things the right way.
Please. Get pregnant for me and I will hasten the marital rights.
No. Edward. No. There is a pattern to life. When it comes to having kids, it's marriage and then kids. I'm not going to reverse that process because, no.
Come on. Please.
No.
Just add a head to my option and I will take this whole thing to the next level.
No, Edward. It's a no. Can you please come downstairs? Lunch is ready. If I had allowed Edward to lure me into getting pregnant for him, so this is how I would have been a baby mama number 2 outside wedlock. Beautiful, classy, sassy, yet I just can't marry. Mom thinks I'm desperate to get married, and that's the reason why men are dealing with me. But why won't I be desperate? Why won't I be? I'm 36. I should be somebody's wife by now.
Madam, food already.
What do you... Can you stop calling me madam? Me call me any other thing. Auntie Floxy, Sister Floxy, Reverend. Just trash the madam. Can you please do that?
Madam, I don't know what you want me to call you. Now, you know say you my madam. And now you dey pay my salary. So, my madam will still be.
Can you?
Auntie Floxy or Sister Floxy. Okay. Make I choose one between the two of them.
Lord, pick any. I don't care.
Auntie Floxy, Sister Floxy. Madam, I gotta call you Auntie Floxy. I know they go already, madam. I know they go already. Just come down, make you go and chop. You cannot go microwave the food again. Yeah?
Okay. I hear you. Thank you.
Madam. Sister. Oh, God. Auntie Floxy. That's why this thing will confuse me. Auntie Floxy. That bathing can wait. I'm sorry. That freshen up can wait. But that food cannot wait because it will get cold. Eh? I beg, come down, you can chop. Auntie Floxy. Okay. Okay, ma. Okay, Auntie Floxy.
Floxy, why are you doing this to me? Why are you treating me this bad? I love you so much and that's all that matters, right?
Josh, You've said this over and over again, and I need time. I just need time. My last relationship was draining. I need time to heal.
How much time do you need?
I don't know. I just need time to get myself together.
All right. Do you want to share with me what you've been through? Like, I want to know why you broke up with your ex. What's up? Just talk to me about things. You're too, stuck up and you don't want to say things to me. What's going on? I really need to know.
It was just...
Oh, sorry, excuse me. Sorry, I have to take this.
That's okay.
Hello? Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, cool. I totally forgot. All right, shortly. All right, see you shortly. All right, thank you. Bye. Yeah. Floxy, I'm sorry, I have to go. It's important.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine. do you think you're going? Where are you going? Where do you think you're going?
I want to go play football
Why?
outside.
Why do you feel the need to always show your face when I have a visitor? Why? What's the urge for?
I'm sorry.
Get back inside. Get back inside. You want to ruin this one too? Everyone must know I have a son. Useless one at that.
Si tu ne qu'aimes. Get wetin dey happen for this house. Why I no dey understand. Since I come here, na so madam they shout for this small pikin. That boy do bad thing come this life. I been na him born himself. Now so madam go dey shout for this boy. They shout for him. They shout for him. Okay, bata, him go shout for him. James coming, him go shout for him. Any man wey enter this house, him go dey shout for that innocent boy. Wetin Emmanuel do? But no be Emmanuel carry himself come this life. Na him still open leg. They give am belle, him born that pikin. Innocent child, when you do am anything. Now wow. You no want the pikin na? Why you no carry and go another person? Or sell am, or you give am orphanage now. You go better. Or you carry and go give your mama. At least that common sense suppose enter in head. But that one no show. Now, if person come find and say, "In get pikin," they don't jabba, they go. Now, before you know what is happening, another person don't show. Can you imagine? Anyway, now waiting him do himself. You feel like make him continue. No be me give am belle. Number one, I know they when he carry that belle. I know me tell him me open leg, me carry belle born Emmanuel. So at least he's supposed using common sense to give that pikin mother love. Waiting be my business matter. Do waiting carry you come here, say so.
No, please. Can he please stay with you?
He can't do. He's your son.
I know he's my son, Mommy. Understand me. I just don't want him around me for now.
You don't want your own son around you. Is that what you're saying?
No, Mommy, can you just please help me handle him for now? Emmanuel's presence is causing me more harm than good.
He needs his mother. Let him stay with his mother, please.
I cannot get married with him around me. I keep falling in and out of love because of him. The men call me Tokumbo.
Let him stay with you. That boy can't get the best of education here. He's very intelligent and I don't want him to grow up and worry. I don't want him to be raised in this environment.
Please. How many men will stay with someone who has already dropped one? Every man wants chassis, a new girl. I just need space to sort myself out. He can't be with me. I'm just speaking from my point of view.
He calls you auntie. So how do these men always find out that he's not your son? How?
Please. Just help me take good care of him. I'll do anything. Please, just do this one favor for me. I mean, everybody knows. People know.
Are you sure it's not Jessica that tells them? Find out.
Mom, people talk. When somebody knows something about you, the best thing they can do is to always use it against you at will. That's what's happening.
Bestie indeed. You need to be careful with these ones.
Why would Jessica want to do that to me? Her fiancé is in the UK. She has no reason to do that. She's my best friend.
Conference. Because I don't understand them.
Please, are you helping me or not? Jessica has no reason to be jealous of me. Of me? Of course not.
So who's telling them? Except you've been the one telling them yourself.
Mommy, can you just please do this for me? Just this one favor, can you please?
Did you hear me the first time? Train your own child into a man you want him to grow up. Please.
I'm not disputing that, Mommy. Just help me take care of him. I'll send upkeep or what. She hung up.
Emmanuel, you even sit down here, they call you, keep quiet. My food done ready.
I'm not hungry.
Oh, Chineke. I say your food is ready. You're not hungry.
Now they speak English for me, because this food, I know how many this thing that I know what I do for kitchen there before I prepare this food. The time, strength, energy, 3 things put together, I use and prepare this food. They tell me say you no want chop. You don't mind me? Wait, chop.
I'm not hungry and I don't want to eat.
No, they were serious. You are not hungry, I don't want to eat. No, they speak grammar for me, no, they open eye for me. But wait, with the formulate tears. Because I the way they see your face. This way you won't do, you no go help. You no go help. I will tell you the truth, say you no go help. Anti-flogs. Now your mama. And I don't know why she gon' hate you. So no be my fault, say the woman don't like you. So that chop, eat. What the important?
Did you just say mother?
Yes, now, Auntie Floxy. Now your mama where you be now? Now your mama you be?
Auntie mother. Auntie Floxy. My mother.
Now your mama now. Auntie Floxy now your mama. See, make I tell you something. Better chop, so you will get strength and energy where you go use face am if you come back. Tell am, may I tell you where your papa dey. It's because he no like you. Your papa go like you now. So I don't know why he go dey maltreat you like this. You got to chop. You understand? So when your mama come back, when Auntie Floxy come back, you go meet am one-on-one. You talk to am. So chop.
Auntie Floxy.
Speaking to the husband question.
My mother.
Na your mama now, wetin you wan hear? Auntie Floxy na your mama. Auntie Floxy, Maggie, Mama Maggie. He no wan tell you. Something they tell me say your papa dey alive. And I don't know why they hide them. He no wan tell you. Yes, something is telling me that.
Then why did Grandma and Auntie Floxy not tell me that she's my mom?
They don't want me to ask them plenty questions now. They don't need plenty questions for you. Still be, you know, say be small picking. Be small picking. And if he tell you something like if he confuse you. So now mature, make you forget strength. Morale, where you go use.
I'm not hungry.
Are you see? They were serious. Can you imagine? Well, no me do anything they do in a family. This food cannot waste. Na me cook am. Na my strength I use cook am. Maybe if your mama come back, then I say you don't want chop food though. I can chop am for you.
Babe. How did you discover this exclusive restaurant?
Why, you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
I come here to comb my hair.
And it took you this long to bring me to this place. I thought we were friends. Vlogs.
Afternoon, ma'am. Afternoon.
Yes.
You, what person?
Me? No.
Sorry. My boss did. He's still over there. He's the owner of this place.
Oh, okay. Thank him for us. Vlogs. I think we have nice people here.
No, I'm not with you now.
So, I can say no to this, but not for red wine. I like that. Check your mail.
I'm talking, eating something else. I didn't check my mail.
Food?
Yes, food.
Maybe we can do it.
Ladies. Hi, ladies.
Hello.
Yes, hi. You mind if I join your table?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for the treat.
Well, it's really nothing. And your friend, she seems not to be the talking type.
Yes. Yes, she is.
All right. Okay. Well, my name is Nelson. So what are your beautiful names?
My name is Jessica. And my friend here is Fluxy, but I call her Flux for short.
Wow, Fluxy. Yeah. Fluxy is beautiful. I like her. Yeah.
Where this boy? Bassett! See this boy. This boy there they sleep. What's be your problem?
Mata, you the crazy? Now you want me?
Why they sleep on duty? Eh?
I know they sleep.
What do they do? They meditate.
And they relax.
Continue relaxing. Where Emmanuel there?
Which kind of question with that? Where Emmanuel there? Emmanuel go inside your room now.
Which say Emmanuel go inside your room? Emmanuel no dey inside your room. And from your room they come out. Food I even keep from for them. You don't even chop am. Emmanuel no dey in your room.
And now you supposed to know now 12 on a day inside house.
Which I say that me suppose know. No be you they take care of our side. Now because say they sleep, now why you come out? My work now today inside kitchen they cook. You now to take care of this veranda. When you come there, Emmanuel come from out.
Mata, I know they sleep and they meditate.
Which kind of meditation be that? They see for vision. Meaning waiting now.
Hey, the boy come waka go now.
Ha! See me see wahala.
Emmanuel! Come out so.
I don't blame you. That place where they enter, that's where Emmanuel there.
Maybe they sleep for
You
there.
don't go come outside.
Ha.
You don't go come outside, go find Emmanuel. You don't enter there. That place where they enter, they're supposed to enter.
Let's go.
They
Emmanuel!
sleep on duty. Don't find that picking me sweet.
Emmanuel!
Uncle Amobi. Good afternoon.
Ah, Emmanuel. This one you are here. What do you want to buy?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing? So why are you here?
Uncle, please, can I take your phone to call my mommy worry?
Is your auntie not at home?
No, she's not at home.
I hope no problem.
Uh-uh.
All right, sit down. You can have my phone. All right?
Thank you.
Call her. But be fast, though. I don't have much credit.
It's me, Emmanuel.
Ah, Emmanuel, my grandson. How are you?
I'm not fine.
What is it?
Is Auntie Floxy my mother? Hello? Is anyone there?
Yeah, I can hear you. I'm here.
Then answer my question. Is Auntie Floxy my mother?
Where did you get that from?
Where I got it from is immaterial.
I am listening, Emmanuel.
I heard that you are not my mom and Auntie Floxy is. Is that why she hates me so much? I don't know what to say. Is that why she never lets my face to show around? Is that why she puts all her frustrations on me?
Please calm down, my dear soul. Calm down.
Grandma, I cannot calm down. Why would I calm down when I know I have a father? Let her take me to my father. Or let her will run away. I'm tired. I don't know. She thinks I'm the cause of her problems. I'm sure. I'm sure that wherever my father is, he needs me. He wants me.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. Don't worry. You'll be fine, okay?
Thank you. Bye.
Hey, Emmanuel. Sit down. Sit. Alright? Don't worry. Sit down. Relax.
Yeah. You know, I like quiet people. I like your friend.
I can read in between the lines.
Yes, but this one that she seems very calm and not talking. Is she married?
No, she's single, not married. She's just an introvert, right?
That's good news, son. And so I think we can have a date for two.
Yes, yes. That would be perfect. Right, Floxy?
Sorry, I have a call. I should take this one. Excuse me, please.
Yeah, you know, I like her. You know, I like calm, quiet people. She is. I like her. So can I have her contact? Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you.
Here you go.
All right.
Her number is the first on the card.
Oh. Yeah, thank you.
No.
I like her. I actually would like to start something with her.
But you just met her.
Talk of love at first sight. Besides, I'm okay. I know I can take care of her. I can make her happy. So what else are we talking about?
Floxy, my friend, is a beautiful, hard-working young lady. She paved her way to the top. So she doesn't need your money to feel happy, or any man's money. She's made.
That makes it better because she's the type that will understand and listen well.
Once again, thank you for the treat.
Thank you for thanking me.
Boy, you have not told me how you found out that your auntie is your biological mother.
I had to find out. Nothing is hidden under the sun.
Let it not be that you're making an assumption.
The person who told me in confidence. So, it's not an assumption.
Emmanuel, that is the question. Because your auntie does not look like someone who has given birth before.
Is it written on the forehead?
Emmanuel, you have to go home.
I'm not going back to that house.
What is wrong with this boy? Emmanuel, you have to go home.
No. Let me tell you something. What I saw in that house, sitting, even if you climb an iroko tree, you will not see it unless you walk in my shoes.
Emmanuel, you need to go home. They might be looking for you everywhere.
Let them look for me. Let them look for me. I don't want to go.
Emmanuel, you need to go home. Now. You need to go home. Yes. You need to go home. Understand with me? They might be looking for you everywhere now. So please, just try. Okay?
Basi, so his sister here no go come outside go to find that pikin.
Mata, now this your talk. Now you think cause this will happen for you now?
Meaning waiting now, as well. I don't understand.
You two talk.
Eh?
Understand that we two talk.
As waiting, waiting are they talk?
Mata, now this your talk made they pursue you for where they walk before you come here. You still they talk.
Basi,
Mata.
no insult me. Shey they hear me? You know wetin happen when make me come up for that place. You know wetin happen?
I know.
You don't know, of course you don't know. So you just they run your mouth. Just they run your mouth, they talk. You don't know anything.
Mata, they don't need to tell me. Eh? Thank I don't already announce and say now talk, make the pursue for them.
Liar. At least you mind your business here now. The cleaning work where they give you say make you do. Oh, whoa, you know do am. You there here, you do cleaning work. You sit there here, they meditate. They meditate your papa, be your mama. But see, they meditate. You know when my house go they meditate. I be your papa house go they meditate. You there here, they meditate on duty post. Me dey waiting now.
Mata, I don't look you finish to tell you wait. I don't even know what I will tell you.
But you know nothing.
You wait there here, say you be cook. What is I be cook? Ordinary beans, everyday beans. Where the pot person? If I no carry bread, chop am. But na so person go there for toilet.
At least I give you beans make chop now. You when they say cleaning work, you don't clean house finish. Abi you don't take care of pikin finish. You sit down here they sleep. A man come out, you no see am. Wetin be this thing where you carry for?
I dey take care of pikin. Make I breastfeed pikin.
Why you no go use eye take care of the environment? You don't know your work. Make Madam Flossie come inside. Now you go tell her you go explain everything finish. You go explain no evidence.
Mata, your talk you just tire me.
Wetin I dey talk sef? I follow person wey be illiterate. They exchange words. They exchange words. Your mama, cleaner. Your papa, cleaner. Your family, your grandfather, great-grandfather, cleaner. Yes, okay, go school, you're Simba. I don't blame you, I don't know why they exchange words. Come outside, go they find Emmanuel. I don't know if they talk. Come outside, go they find Emmanuel. If they hold you responsible, they go sack you. I don't go beg for you.
You be crazy
I
person.
don't go beg for you. I think just how they crazy.
You be crazy
that
person.
they cook better food. They cook better food.
You dey cook potty, nonsense. Not dey cook. If Mother Floss no cook, wetin we go chop? That nonsense wey dey cook. Wetin again? Beans.
How many times you don't see Mother Floss for kitchen?
Come on for here.
How many times you don't see her for kitchen?
Come on for here.
If they stand, they learn from me. Suppose no. Sure. If they cook very well.
Now why you no talk? You dey cook. Wetin you cook?
I no blame you. Since I talk
very well. You sabi cook, you no come talk.
You no concern you.
Beans.
Yes. Hold up, just wait. Hold on. When did you turn into my spokesperson?
Oh.
You just literally gave a stranger my contact.
Okay.
Without my permission.
Babes, calm down. I think that guy likes you.
Oh, yeah.
He told me he fell in love with you at first sight.
Anyway, that's not my problem now. My problem now is I have to get home and speak to Emmanuel because he's been calling my mother and asking very stupid questions.
How did he get a phone?
I don't have any idea. He doesn't have one.
So, what was his question?
Well, very stupid ones. Asking if I'm really his mother.
Serious? Who told him such nonsense?
I don't have any idea, but I'm about to find out. Plus, he's asking if I'm not his mother. He wants to know who his father is so he can go to his father since I don't want him. Apparently.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not.
I mean, who is the fool that opened his or her mouth to tell him such nonsense?
Well, some idiot did, and I'm about to find out because whoever told Emmanuel that is the same person who told Edward.
Yeah,
I'm sure you're making sense. You need to find
Yeah,
out.
that's it. Let's go. Hello. What's up? Have you sent? Have you sent? Okay.
Emmanuel!
What kind of rubbish is this, eh? What do I tell madam now? God, who do I ask in this estate now? Who do I ask? Nobody to ask. Which kind of thing is this? What kind of problem is this? Emmanuel! Emmanuel!
I don't understand, Mommy. They both claim not to know where he is. I don't know if he's missing.
I'm sure that must be Manu.
I don't know. They're standing in front of me here. Nobody's saying anything.
Emmanuel,
Let me call you back. He's here.
where have you been? Are you okay?
I owe you no explanation.
Excuse me, who are you talking to? Where have you been?
And where is my father?
Is something wrong with you? Is something wrong with you? You want me to get up from here? You've been acting really stupid and strange, flipping every single script to get me annoyed. Who's feeding you nonsense? Who's my mother? Where's my father? What's wrong with you? If I catch the person feeding you nonsense, I will kill that person. And you must tell me who.
Madam.
Uh-huh.
My mother wait there. And she tell her say na you be mama.
See this boy. Which one is that matter?
Come on, shut up.
Why they lie with mine? What's be your problem, Basi?
Madam, na so she go tell her girl what? Say na you born Emmanuel.
Madam, na lie. I don't talk that kind of thing.
Na she talk am.
You dey mad?
Come on, shut up.
I could beat you. Why you go dey lie with my name? What's be your problem, sir? Madam, na lie.
Shh. Start talking. Start talking right now.
Give me this thing. Look, man.
Stop this door.
Okay, well done. I say make I bring this juice for you. May you use the calm yourself now. I say the watch leak.
But I didn't ask for it. Besides, you're blocking me.
Sir, I'm just doing my job. I just dey do my job, you know now. So, you know, say your spirit dey high. You dey high like a Iroko tree. I say make I bring this drink for you. May you use the calm your spirit down. May you go cool you down. You go cool you chalele. Understand?
Thank you.
You're welcome, sir. I go there kitchen. I go there kitchen. If you need anything, you holler me. Just call my name. I will come. I will come. If you need fried meat.
I will not be needing anything. Thank you very much. Please, let me wash my mouth.
Okay, sir. Okay. Bros.
What is it?
You get waiting I won't tell you. Get waiting I won't tell you. And it is very important. You know, say no be my business, but I need to tell you. You're supposed to know about them. You know, say if I not tell you now, if you find out tomorrow, come be say person about that, you no want tell you. So make I tell you.
Is there any problem?
Plenty problem. Plenty. Okay, too big go. The problem too big.
Spill it.
Sir, I go come back. I will come back later. I go tell you, make I go finish something for kitchen. I will return back here. We'll see later.
Martha.
Will you come back here?
Sir.
Spill.
Oh, God. Huh. I'll put myself up. Okay. See, no face. No face. You know, my God, I will take compose. Put this thing now, talk. You know, Emmanuel, that's more picking where they live with us here. Now your fiancé picking.
What? Wait. Martha.
Boss.
You mean Emmanuel is our son?
Now I'm picking. I'm born through prostitution. From the picking through prostitution.
Wait. Is Floxy a prostitute?
They play. No. They do prostitution for Libya. They do prostitution. They can't come back. Once you say age no they their side again. They come back.
They?
That in friend, Jessica. 2 of them. And then they do prostitution. Highway prostitution. That's what they are doing. No, she they lie give you. She just they cover up with church. This church. No be church person. I they tell you truth. What's happen now? They tell you.
Martha.
Bros. Let me make I come. Okay.
Martha.
Bros.
Are you sure of what you just told me?
Please, I lie.
I'm asking you. Are you sure of what you just told me? Was that a lie?
Please, I don't talk about it.
I will take what you told me first.
Okay, it's not lie. Don't lie. Bros. Brady. I don't lie. I don't put myself in problem. God, I beg oh. I can't lose my job. Drink, you know, can't drink again. My God. Bros, na lie oh. I don't lie.
Madam. So you destroyed another person's relationship with your cheap lies?
The devil hand. I'm not in the devil hand.
Devil kill you there. Stupid girl. Do you know what you've cost my friend? You made her to lose her man. So you can't be trusted. After all she has done for you, Martha, you can't be trusted.
Obvious.
Flox, this girl should be arrested.
Madam.
No. Just... What's up with you?
I'm having serious issues with those guys at the wharf.
Why?
My goods.
I thought you cleared them. You haven't?
I have not. The money those guys are calling is outrageous. And you know how much I have put in those containers.
So, what's your plan?
I need money.
How much are we looking at?
5 million naira.
That's a lot.
Babe, if you can lend me this money, believe you me, I will pay you back the moment I start selling.
I'm going to have to talk to Jessica about it. You know it's company money. Perhaps we can work out a loan for you. Hey, do well to pay on time.
Definitely now. You see why it is imperative for someone to marry a rich wife.
Oh God. Oh
Baby,
God.
see me, if I don't marry you, make a naked bar for bedroom.
What is that? What is that?
Don't worry. I'll be right back. Let me clean up.
Lord God, whenever you get all native. Wait, you're supposed to bath with your clothes on?
I'm coming.
Oh my God. Pack your things and go.
No. I disagree. She needs to be arrested.
I'm okay with Akoko. Madam, please.
Get out.
I'm okay.
Get out!
Madam, Biko. Madam, please.
Go in and pack your things.
Madam, please.
Oh my goodness. Flux. I am sorry.
I'll make her go help him. Make she go for this house. Mother!
All of that?
Madam, I beg. Madam, I beg, na my mouth cause I'm...
Stay here.
What's your problem now? Madam, I beg, oh! Jesus. I beg now.
Mother, they go.
Pasi, I beg, you know my person now. Help me beg, madam. Biko, I beg, I beg you. I beg,
madam. Eh? Mother, you was past devil. Mother, this is your mouth, eh? Cho. Now waiting make or get word. Can't leave madam, go.
He never reach like that now. But you know say wetin I talk now true.
What you talking about?
Eh? No blame Bon Emmanuel. Wetin will come dey talk now? Help me beg madam.
Mother, no fit do that one for you. Can't they go? Mother, carry your bag, they go.
Where you want ma dey kwano? Where you want ma go? I don't get any place now.
Go back after you. Eh? They go.
I beg now.
Come on.
Give me transport.
Me? For wait.
Hey,
You like it?
Delicious.
Thank you.
I love it. Really nice.
Thank you. I'm glad you like it.
Good afternoon.
Hey, cute boy. How are you?
I'm fine.
You okay?
Yes.
Oh, that's great. You didn't tell me you had a kid brother.
Oh, yes, I do. My kid brother.
Oh, that's great. Emmanuel is so brilliant and very handsome too.
Yes, he is.